Hey everyone, buckle up because the world of artificial intelligence is exploding. We're talking faster than a cheetah on a rocket ship, and it's changing everything. Just a few years ago, AI felt like something out of a sci-fi movie. But guess what? It's here, it's real, and it's about to get even more awesome. Remember when your phone couldn't understand what you were saying? Now you can ask your virtual assistant to tell you a joke or set a reminder. That's AI in action. And it's not just about talking robots. AI is being used to develop life-saving medicines, create stunning works of art, and solve complex problems that seemed impossible before. But here's the thing. Not all AI is created equal. Some AI systems are incredibly powerful, but they're locked away in expensive labs, accessible only to a select few. That's where DeepSeek R1 comes in to shake things up. Imagine having access to a cutting-edge AI model that rivals the best in the world, right from your own computer. Sounds too good to be true? Well, say hello to DeepSeek R1. This revolutionary open-source AI model is here to democratize AI and empower everyone to explore its incredible potential. DeepSeek R1 is like the Swiss Army knife of AI. It can generate realistic text, translate languages in a snap, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. But what truly sets DeepSeek R1 apart is its commitment to accessibility, affordability, and transparency. Unlike some AI giants that keep their secrets under lock and key, DeepSeek R1 believes in the power of open-source development. This means that the code behind this incredible AI is freely available for anyone to explore, modify, and improve. It's like having the blueprint to a rocket ship and being encouraged to tinker with the engines. Let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, money. Now, we all know that cutting-edge technology can sometimes come with a hefty price tag. But DeepSeek R1 is here to break the mold. By embracing the open-source philosophy, DeepSeek R1 significantly reduces the cost barrier for anyone who wants to dive into the world of AI. For example, let's say you want to use AI for a creative writing project. Using a popular AI service like OpenAI's GPT-3 could cost you hundreds of dollars per month, depending on how much you use it. That's like having to pay rent for your imagination. With DeepSeek R1, you can unleash your creativity without breaking the bank. And it's not just about individual users. Businesses, researchers, and developers can all benefit from DeepSeek R1's affordability. Imagine the possibilities when smaller companies and organizations have access to the same level of AI power as industry giants. It's a game changer. DeepSeek R1 isn't just about breaking down financial barriers. It's also about breaking down the walls of secrecy that often surround AI development. In a world where many AI models are treated like closely guarded secrets, DeepSeek R1 stands out as a beacon of transparency. When you use a closed-source AI, you're essentially taking a leap of faith, trusting that the creators have your best interests at heart. But with DeepSeek R1, you can see exactly how the AI works, understand its limitations, and even contribute to its development. It's like having a backstage pass to the AI revolution. This open-source approach fosters a spirit of collaboration and innovation that benefits everyone. By sharing knowledge and working together, we can push the boundaries of what's possible with AI and ensure that its benefits are accessible to all. Small but mighty, DeepSeek's distilled power. DeepSeek R1 understands that not everyone has a supercomputer in their basement. That's why they've developed a range of smaller, distilled versions of the model that are optimized for different devices and use cases. Think of it like this. You wouldn't use a fire hose to water a houseplant, right? Similarly, you don't always need the full power of DeepSeek R1 for every task. These distilled models allow you to choose the perfect AI tool for the job, whether you're using a powerful gaming rig or a more modest laptop. This focus on efficiency and accessibility ensures that DeepSeek R1 can be used by anyone, anywhere, regardless of their technical expertise or hardware limitations. It's about putting the power of AI in the hands of the people. DeepSeek in action, a beginner's guide. Ready to experience the magic of DeepSeek R1 for yourself? Don't worry, getting started is easier than you think. Step 1. Head over to the official DeepSeek website and download the version of DeepSeek R1 that's right for your computer. They have clear instructions and different options to choose from. Step 2. Once you've downloaded the software, installation is a breeze. Just follow the on-screen prompts, and you'll be up and running in no time. Step 3. Time to unleash your creativity. DeepSeek R1 comes with a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to start generating text, translating languages, and exploring the world of AI. Thinking on the fly real-time token streaming. One of the coolest things about DeepSeek R1 is its ability to process text in real time using something called token streaming. Imagine you're writing a story and you need a little help coming up with the next sentence. With DeepSeek R1, you can actually see the AI generating words one by one, as if it's thinking right alongside you. This real-time collaboration can be incredibly helpful for writers, programmers, and anyone who works with language. It's like having a super-powered writing partner who always has your back. The future is DeepSeek. Join the revolution. The world of AI is rapidly evolving, and DeepSeek R1 is at the forefront of this exciting revolution. By embracing open-source principles and focusing on accessibility, DeepSeek R1 is paving the way for a future where everyone can harness the power of AI to learn, create, and innovate. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of DeepSeek R1 and discover the incredible possibilities that await.